South Korea's parliament has overwhelmingly voted to ban the production and sale of dog meat, marking a historic victory for animal welfare. The new law, set to be enforced in 2027 after a 3-year grace period, prohibits breeding, butchery, distribution, and sale of dogs for meat. Although consumption remains legal, the measures are expected to end the practice, prevalent in the past for its perceived fatigue-reducing properties. The ban received 208 votes in support with a 3-year prison term or a maximum fine of £17,900 for violators. This shift reflects changing attitudes, with a recent survey showing over 94% of respondents abstaining from dog meat consumption in the past year. Despite the decline, approximately 1,150 farms and 1,600 restaurants continue to operate in the industry. Animal welfare campaigners, including Humane Society International, Korea, celebrate the decisive move, emphasizing a shift toward a dog-friendly future.